Congratulations on making it to day 6 of the Fall Reset Challenge. For today's challenge, we will target sleep. We all know that sleep is important, but when we don't sleep well, we wake up tired, foggy, and a bad mental state, unable to function, and it can affect everything around us. But in order to fix that, we need to understand what we do before bed that's affecting our sleep. Are you spending too much time scrolling on your phone or on the laptop still working? Or you just watching TV? Spending too much time on our electronic devices instead of helping us relax really overstimulate our brain. So it's doing the opposite of what we need to do. So that's why it's important to turn them off for a few minutes before we can transition to sleep. So for that, we are asking you to take a digital sunset. You might wonder, what is a digital sunset? A digital sunset, or you could even call it your golden hour, is when you turn off all your electronic devices about 30 minutes to an hour before your actual bedtime. So now you've given yourself a time, a buffer time where you can relax. What can you do in that time? It's up to you. Maybe you like to read, you like to journal, you can reflect on the day, or better yet, you can use that time and do nothing and just be still. That could be your digital reset. You turn off your devices and just you relax. If you like to read, go ahead and read for a little bit or journal or anything that can help clear your mind. And then now, when you do that over and over, your body, your mind will know that's the signal for us to get ready for bed. So now you will be able to get a great night of sleep. Go ahead and give it a try. And when you wake up in the morning, you're not going to be as foggy, as tired, or in a bad mental state because you didn't sleep well. Give it a try. When you wake up in the morning refreshed, your brain will thank you. You know who else will thank you? Your colleagues, your family. They will be glad that you're in a better mood, that they can enjoy your company now. Go ahead every night, set that digital sunset time, turn off your devices, get ready for bed, and do some activities that you enjoy doing, reading, journaling, or just spend time relaxing, and you can transition peacefully to sleep. Although this sounds very simple, which it is simple, but it will set the tone for you to be able to get some rest. We all need rest. Make your digital sunset a fun and enjoyable moment to help you decompress and get ready for some good night of sleep. That's your wellness dose for today. Go ahead and give it a try. When you wake up, you will be refreshed and ready for your day.